All right, I'm going to take a minute and just talk about what a horrible purchase this was. This is a Mastercraft clamp. It's 22 inches. I guess a 22 inch, whatever it is. It is horrible. And I don't buy clamps. I don't buy many. I mean, I've got old clamps. I think I probably stole this one from my brother, an Irwin. It's probably like 30 years old. And it's, you know, as rusty as it is, it still works. It's missing the little gripper thing. I've got, I don't even know where these things came from. Mr. Blacksmith. Again, it works. Like, you can clamp stuff with it, you know, and it clamps tight. That's what I want. Those things are not moving. That to me is what I expect out of a clamp. Same with this guy. I don't do a lot of clamping right now, but when I do need something to clamp, cutting an awkward board or something, you know, I want it. And this, for as old as it is, as long as you can squeeze it tight enough, it will clamp. And they're not as good as the other one, but they're still clamped tight. This thing is horrible. I mean, I've had it maybe a year, and after a week, look at, I don't know if you can see, but which one of these is sliding? I guess neither of them. Oh, this one's sliding. It's actually pulling. If you watch in here, see that? It's pulling this because this isn't gripping. So, and then half the time, if you get this one to grip, if you find a spot, I don't know, maybe down here, then the other one just slips. Okay, no, it's still pulling this one. And I don't know if you put a different tension on it, but when you're in the middle of clamping something, you can't have it slipping. Sometimes if I squeeze it, but even now it's, if I squeeze up on this, no, it's still, and I mean, those are not in there. Like the other ones, those weren't. So it's not that it's got a whole bunch of pressure against it. What about if it's just on itself? Nothing. And I know the bar is a bit rusty, but it's not as rusty as this old bar, and it still works. This bar's got a little rust, which these things gotta be more than 10 years old at this point. I mean, I got one. This one here, I mean, the handle's broke. I don't know what happened. So it's like, but it's still, even with this one, you squeeze it, it is tight. That's what you want, you know? It's not coming out as fast as it was in the Mastercraft. So I don't know, I don't understand how, and you know, it wasn't cheap. I mean, it was cheap compared to getting an Irwin, but, and that's, I wonder if I can move with my hands. Yeah, I can. Look at that. That's ridiculous. I'm glad I only bought one, but it makes me not want to buy them anymore. I don't know whether if maybe there's a warranty, I can get a new one and see if this is a flawed one. I guess I can check the reviews, but just it's disappointing.